how to make video like this. First, go to the Pinterest app, then goes to search bar. Search BMW car pictures in 4K. Select 10 picture that you liked. Then, click 3 dot, download image. Then goes to CapCut app. Select new video if you know editing. Select auto cut if you are new to editing. Select images. CapCut AI is analyzing your content and making an edit for you. Click Edit button. Add your text or name and export. Wait for result. Result.
No soy un juguete que usa cuando quiere.
Like and subscribe for more tutorials.